Hello everyone, welcome to a new enlightening video. Do us a favor by hitting that subscribe button, liking this video and sharing it with your friends. Today we delve into the fascinating world of the human body, more specifically, the digestive system. Our digestive system is a remarkable machinery that transforms the food we eat into the energy we need to survive. Its health impacts our overall well-being significantly. Yet we often overlook it until we encounter discomfort or pain. A well-functioning digestive system ensures optimal nutrient absorption and waste elimination. On the other hand, an unhealthy digestive system can cause a plethora of problems ranging from bloating, constipation, and diarrhea to heartburn and even colon cancer. The stakes are high, aren't they? But worry not. A few simple lifestyle adjustments can make a world of difference. Understanding the importance of digestive health is the first step to a healthier lifestyle. Now, let's dive into some habits that can help you improve it. Our first healthy habit is regular exercise, a key player in maintaining a healthy digestive system. When we get our bodies moving, we're not just toning muscles and burning calories. We're also helping our digestive system to function more efficiently. Exercise stimulates the natural contraction of intestinal muscles, aiding in the swift movement of food through your intestines. This reduces the time waste stays in your colon, helping prevent uncomfortable conditions like constipation and bloating. But you don't need to be an athlete to reap these benefits. Simple activities like walking, cycling, or yoga can do wonders for your digestive health. Even a brisk 20-minute walk after dinner can make a difference. And hey, why not try a yoga pose or two while you're at it? The key is consistency. Make exercise a regular part of your daily routine. Remember, a little exercise goes a long way in keeping your digestive system happy. Let's move on to our next healthy habit. The second healthy habit we recommend is hydration. It's as simple as it sounds, yet so crucial. Now let's dive into why. Water is the unsung hero of digestion. It works behind the scenes, softening our food, making it easier for our body to break it down and absorb the nutrients. Moreover, it helps to keep things moving smoothly through our intestines, preventing constipation. But how much water should we drink? Well, the answer isn't one size fits all. On average, experts recommend about 8 glasses a day. However, your body's needs might be different based on factors like your size, activity level, and climate. To ensure you're getting enough, consider carrying a water bottle with you throughout the day. Not a fan of plain water? No problem. Eating water, rich fruits and vegetables like cucumbers, melons, or berries can also contribute to your hydration levels. So, never underestimate the power of a glass of water. Your digestive system will thank you. Our third and final healthy habit for today is mindful eating. In our fast-paced world, this habit is often overlooked, but it's time to bring it back. Mindful eating is all about being present in the moment and paying attention to what and how much you're consuming. It's about savoring each bite, appreciating the flavors, and listening to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Eating slowly isn't just about enjoying your food, it also plays a crucial role in digestion. When you take your time to chew properly, you're aiding the digestive process, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients and prevent issues like bloating and discomfort. Furthermore, mindful eating can act as a natural check against overeating. By paying attention to your body's signals, you're less likely to eat past the point of fullness, which can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Incorporating mindful eating into your daily routine can make a world of difference for your digestive health. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. We've covered some ground today, exploring the importance of digestive health and ways to improve it. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? Let's briefly revisit the terrain we traversed. First, we discovered the power of regular exercise, a key habit that not only keeps us fit, but also facilitates smoother digestion. Then, we dove deep into the world of hydration, understanding how drinking adequate amounts of water can significantly improve our digestive health. Finally, we delved into the concept of mindful eating, a practice that encourages you to cherish each bite and in turn aids in better digestion. These 3 habits, regular exercise, ample hydration, and mindful eating, are not just tips, but stepping stones to a healthier, happier you. I encourage you to incorporate these changes into your everyday life. Your digestive health deserves your attention. Start these habits today and feel the difference. Stay healthy, stay happy. Until next time, goodbye and take care.